gym, terus mau belajar bela diri juga sama saya pastinya.
Sama the Deddy of YouTube.
Jadi kita akan ngajarin, saya akan ngajarin dia nge-gym. Habis nge-gym kita akan ngajarin sedikit tentang Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu buat perempuan. Jadi siapa tahu nanti kalau dia tag dia bisa lawan balik. Oke?
God bless not, but better to be prepared.
Yes. So let's go to the gym.
Let's
work
go.
out first. Do it. This is supposed to be a little bit painful.
Alright.
And you cannot walk after this.
Great. That's alright.
You're gonna do this.
Alright.
Okay? Very easy.
On legs I'm better than on pants. Now it's my turn?
Yes, your turn. Let's see if you can do it.
My feet are here, right?
Yes.
Ooh.
Down. Down.
No.
No.
I feel like really.
Down. Down.
I lose.
You say you do it.
Not this heavy.
Wait.
Woo.
I will like it.
Not this heavy. Oh, okay.
Look, you have no weight at all.
Oh my goodness.
No weight at all. Weight at all.
Everything I was doing is wrong.
Down. No, that's cheating. Kurang. That's cheating. Down. More.
I swear to you, I
One more. Just one. Okay,
I'm pulling.
Do it.
I just got this heavy extra.
She said that she did it already. We have no weight. Take a look at it. We have no weight at all.
Amazing.
How does it feel?
Now good, before not.
Okay. Itu latihan kaki. Now we're gonna do a tricep.
Triceps, alright.
We're gonna do tricep. Go here. Okay.
Just short move.
Let's see that shoulder. Look at my shoulder. 3. Give me 8. 4. 5.
I'm a strong woman.
6. 7. Now this is your own.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, push. That's tricep.
Oh, I see. That's
Yes. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. She's floating. Take a look at her. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3.
so I'm pushing it from here.
Yeah.
From here, and when I push, I go up.
No,
Oh no, don't go.
Yes. Now you can do that, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, give it 15 then. How much is that?
11.
11.
No. 9. 10. 12. 13. 14. 15. Woohoo! I did it!
Akhirnya berhasil juga. 15 repetisi dia bisa. Tricep doang. Tricep dia bisa. Jadi udah main back. Udah coba back, udah coba shoulder.
Next.
Kaki udah. Chest juga udah. Tricep udah. Let's bicep. logic, physics.
Yes, well, as soon as I will keep working out in your gym, then I'll be stronger soon.
Logic, physics. So let's do it like water. Jadi orang latihan itu harus senyum.
Okay.
Karena kalau nggak senyum, nanti badannya bagus, mukanya jelek.
Alright.
The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright.
Easy. Dulu. Okay.
Alright.
Jadi challenge-nya gini. You name a number, we're gonna do it.
1, 2.
No.
Let's go for 15.
Let's go for 15. Okay. You're gonna feel cramp after that. Your stomach will cramp. Perutnya bakal cramp. Tapi kita lihat. Okay,
Like
15.
the other part of the body.
Like the other part of the body. Let's do one slow. Good. 2.
Well, I hope I can work tomorrow. I'll call in sick excuse. Deddy Corbuzier kill me.
Corbuzier skill. Dia nangis loh beneran loh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? That's it? Like 6? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more, 15.
Try to walk. I keep going, right?
How much and how many?
Well, I'd go for 10 on 32 kilos.
Apa yang paling nyiksa ya?
Gak bisa?
Ya, saya mau cari yang paling nyiksa buat kamu apa ya?
Apa lagi ya? Belum mati.
Belum mati masih, tapi udah nangis.
Tapi harus senyum
Harus
terus
senyum,
ya?
betul, harus senyum.
Wah, mukanya cantik juga ya? I'll try my best.
Okay, 25-12. Let's do it. Smile. Hey, smile. Good. Big smile. There's cute little butterflies. Just push hard. So
Whoa!
that's all.
Alright.
So that's muscle area.
So yeah, I understand.
Yes.
Like a butterfly.
How much? How many?
Oh, considering that I'm
This is the
dead.
last one.
The last one. Let's go big, huh?
How much?
Let's go big, I said. 18.
Let's go big.
18
18 is not big, lah.
18 lah.
18 for 15. Well,
Pesta mati lah. Gimana?
lead it. They need to lead. Okay, 2, 3, go here. 4, go back, smile. 7. No, that's cheating.
8 or not? You go.
9. How much you want to do?
10.
10. One more.
Yeah! Give me 5.
push your feet down. I'm gonna do this.
Yes.
My leg gonna go around your neck.
Alright.
Okay. My leg gonna go around your neck. Okay. Okay.
I'm more fragile than your assistant.
Around your neck.
Okay.
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 Okay. This leg gonna go.
Up there.
What you say that?
Cross it.
Yes.
Cross the other leg.
Cross the other leg, doing this. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna press. I'm gonna press. Okay. You tap. If it hurts you,
Okay.
you tap. Okay. Get it? Tap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So you just you feel it.
Your leg gonna go around my neck.
And this hand down, right?
This hand pull here.
Pull here.
Yes. Good. Okay.
Now like this.
Benar nggak, Mike?
And now I'm going like this.
Hah?
Ini kurang masuk.
No.
Kurang masuk mana? Ya besar sekali.
Nah,
Oke. Ini ya. And now I do like this.
Benar nggak, Mike?
kurang masuk. Seharusnya. Ini.
So for example, if I'm down like this.
Alright.
If I'm down.
Alright.
So how he gonna attack me?
Jumping on you?
Yeah. Then for example, he gonna jumping, but this is what he gonna do.
Alright. Okay.
Want to rape you?
Yeah.
This is what normally girls do is doing this because
Covering you.
they don't want to get raped.
Yeah.
Okay, so what they're supposed to do is actually open the leg.
Alright.
But people don't know it's mostly the girls close the leg because they don't want to get punched.
Yes.
But it's giving him a chance to be on the top of you.
Yes.
Why you
Like
can
if I'm learning, for example, a man your size, I could defend myself from any.
if I'm down here,
Yeah.
I get a touch with my shoes. Is that okay?
Okay.
It's okay. If you try to come to me, try to come.
Alright.
Try to come. How you come? How you gonna come to me?
I don't know.
Try to come. Because you can't.
Yeah.
And try to do that for me. Because I know how to do it.
So
You try to do that. Okay?
alright.
If I move here, you do that. See, I cannot attack you.
Yes. Both.
Yeah, you play. And you put inside here. You can play my leg. You can pull. You can push me.
Alright.
Right?
Yes.
Okay? See? I cannot go inside here.
Yes.
I
Alright.
cannot go inside here. But because I know how to do it,
Yes.
this is how you do it.
Alright.
Go down. Right. Right.
Yeah. Good
So
one.
there's techniques we look at.
Yeah, sure.
This is for examples I show you. Yeah, well, this for examples. If I'm on the top,
Sorry?
if I'm on the top of him,
Yes.
because I don't want to punch. Lu misalnya lu lawan nge-push gua. See, he cannot punch me
Yes.
because he cannot punch me, right?
Yes.
Because I'm actually nah biasanya orang mostly when they get attacked they don't want to get close but
So
because you try to get out,
yes.
but in this
Situation.
martial art
Yeah.
you want to be close so they cannot attack you.
So they cannot punch anymore.
Yeah, so if I do this you cannot do anything.
Yeah.
And then and if you want to punch,
Hi.
now this is what we call it Americano. So if I do this, look at this. Look at this. If I grab this hand, break.
Yes. Terima kasih banyak ya Deddy, belajar semua hari ini. Wah.
Saya tadi dicekek beneran loh. Gak bisa napas beneran, dicekek beneran sama dia. Serius dia. That is good, amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Harus belajar banyak, habis ini belajar lagi supaya strong.
Yes. Thank you you so much.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Take care.
So you guys out there, guys, from now on be careful with this girl. Hati-hati dengan wanita ini.
Jangan lupa. Sensitif banget hari ini emosi. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan komen guys.